Hello, future developers. So, welcome to another tutorial on HTML. So, today we'll be learning to insert local images, that's images from our PC or computer, okay, onto our web page. So, to do that, just here, I'm going to, sorry, use the less than sign and then type img and then src. So, src is source. So, the source equals quotation comments, and then I'm going to have to let me look at the name. Let me look for the name of my file or the image. So it's nf24, nef24. Oops. Um, so let me clear this. So I'm going to have to just copy this. Okay. So that's the name of my image. So I'll paste it here. Okay. So remember that this image is in the same location as my files. Okay. Yeah. So when I refresh the browser, I should see it. Okay. So there's a mistake. Okay. So it has actually used the poster. So the poster attribute of our video is what it's using. Okay. So let's try something. I'll work that out. But let's say we want to give an alt text. So alt is for screen readers. So let's say the screen reader is reading your browser or your page. Okay. I would mention this text that you're given. So my alt is called in the quotation comments. I'll type the name of the name that I would want, or whatever text I would want the screen reader to pronounce to my viewers. Okay. So in my case, I'm using a fashion banner. Okay. So this is very good. It's a good feature for accessibility. So accessibility is cool. It's a good thing you have to consider in creating web pages. So here title equals, and then the quotation comments, I'm going to put the name of the banner. So let's say fashion. So I'm using fashion. Okay. So this title is when the user mouses over the title or the image, a text would pop up. Okay. So like a tooltip. And then we have my width. So width equals, in the quotation comments, I'm going to give it a width of 200. Then my height equals, in the quotation comments, I'm going to give it a height of, you can use auto, but I'll change it to 200. Okay. So once that is saved, Control S or auto saved, I'll just refresh. I think it's so back to the same error. So what I can do is to just comment it out, comment the video out. Okay. Or it's either I didn't close the tag for the video, but let me just comment it out for now. Okay. Okay, so they just took the banner, the poster image out. Okay, so I'm going to take this out, and then let me comment my video out. Okay, so I've commented it out. Okay, so now let's do that. Let's see what happens. So now that is saved, I'm going to refresh it, and then let's see what happens. So you can see it's already there. So you can see the tooltip fashion. Okay, or the title text. Okay. So let's do that for the let's see if the user clicks on the image, it would open a web page. So with the help of the anchor tag, okay, so I'm going to type less than and then a and then hyper reference href equals, in the quotation comments, I'm going to put the link there. So here I'm just typing in a dummy um link. Okay, and then I'll close it with the greater than sign. And then I'm going to take the a tag off here and then put it at the end. Okay, so the closing tag for the anchor tag, okay, at the end. Okay, as you see here. Now if I refresh, or I refresh my browser, okay, oh, okay, let's see. So I have everything set. I have everything set. So if I refresh my browser, oops, there's a mistake. Okay, so I think there's a spacing somewhere. So let me take this space out. Okay, so I'm going to take this space out. Okay, then it's auto saved. So I'm going to my browser, refresh it, and then when I click on it, everything should be set. So click on the image, it should open um, a web page. Okay, so there's a dummy link, which is why we have a blank page. Okay, so this is how to insert image, uh, a local image, and also make it clickable to open another web page. Okay, so thank you for watching, and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.